The next generation science standards for middle school call for development of mathematical representations and computer models to describe physical behaviors. To see how that might be done, we're going to use the educational computing language SNAP to build a model. I have a cam here, and the cam causes the object to rotate around a pivot point. We know three things about this object. We know the angle of the cam with respect to the pivot point. We also know the radius of the circle, which is 60, and we know the offset of the pivot point from the center of the circle. So a cam is an object or device that converts rotary motion to linear motion or vice versa. And typically there's a rod, like the red rod shown, that follows the cam. For that reason, in engineering, it's known as a cam follower. So as I rotate the cam, we would like the cam follower, or the red rod, to move up and down with the cam. So if we take the three things that we know about this, we can tell this rod to set its y position to the offset times the sine of the pivot angle. And then we'll need to add in the radius. And if we do that, then as I rotate the cam follower does in fact follow the cam. Now, this particular example only works when the pivot point is at the coordinates of 0, 0. So if I shift it away from that point, then I'll find that the cam follower is still moving up and down, but it's no longer following the cam exactly. So we'd like the flexibility to have the cam anywhere on the screen. And in order to make that adjustment, we need to add one more thing. We need to add the radius plus the y position of the cam. And if we, instead of using an absolute reference of 0, 0 in the center of the screen, we use the reference of the y position of the cam, then we can move the cam anywhere on the screen, and the cam follower will also follow. This example shows how you can use an object, such as a computer model in a SNAP program, to model a physical behavior. The results that you get with a physical cam would work in a manner that's very similar to this.